Good evening to all. Very good evening and warm welcome on the Shaurya Bharat digital platform. Please like and subscribe this channel of YouTube Shaurya Bharat channel and also download from Play Store your favorite app, that is Shaurya Bharat app. Very good evening to all. Neeti, good evening. Ashwini Singh, जय हिंद. जतिन, यस जतिन. एंड अभी क्या चल रहा है, दोनों में कुछ पर्सनल टॉक चल रहा है. So now today's our topic is functions of body parts of plants. ये दो टॉपिक हैं, functions of body parts of plants and functions of body parts of animals also. पहले हम plants ले रहे हैं, functions of body parts of plants. That is also in your GK syllabus, right? Ranish, yes, Ranish Sringi, good afternoon, very good evening. ओके अश्विनी सिंह, आज क्या है, बहुत कम है. बाकी सब कहाँ है? सिमरप्रीत कहाँ है? स्फूर्ति कहाँ है? स्फूर्ति वैसे तो उन क्लासेस में आता रहता है और अभी गायब है. अभी कहाँ है? अभी भी नहीं दिख रहा है, केवल मैसेज. अच्छा हाँ, अभी तो आया हुआ है. नवनीत सिंह नहीं दिख रहा है, आरशय नहीं दिख रहा है. हिमांशी कहाँ है? हिमांशी भी गायब है. आप सभी जुड़ जाइए जल्दी जल्दी बच्चों, फास्ट. पॉजिटिव टाइम, ओके. आयुष आ चुके हैं. पॉजिटिव टाइम इज आयुष और सम कंफ्यूजन. माही, वेरी गुड इवनिंग. उत्कर्ष, सॉरी उत्कर्ष, वेरी गुड इवनिंग. सिमरप्रीत, वेरी गुड इवनिंग. यस, और आ जाइए जल्दी जल्दी आ जाइए, फास्ट. पॉजिटिव टाइम, आपका नाम बताइए प्लीज. ओके, आई नो. वेरी गुड इवनिंग आशय. यस, अभी गुड इवनिंग एंड जय हिंद ऑल्सो. जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम सभी को. यस, ओ सॉरी आदित्य. ओके ओके फाइन, नाउ आई विल नेवर फॉरगेट, राइट. पॉजिटिव टर्म्स, ओके आदित्य, फाइन, थैंक्स एंड वेरी गुड इवनिंग. वार्म वेलकम टू ऑल. प्लीज लुक हियर. Our new topic is functions of body parts of plants. So you can see that pic. Namrata, very good evening. देखिए मुझे सारे नाम लगभग याद हो गए. ये आदित्य का नहीं था, आदित्य का भी नाम मैं अब नहीं भूलूंगा मैं. और वो टेक्निकल वो कौन थे, वो नहीं आ रहे हैं. आयुष, वो नहीं है आज. Simarpreet Kaur, sir, Sainik school book that I have, that book is of high level. Why, Simarpreet? Don't waste your time in that book. This is the best note you can download. और आपने तो कर ही लिया होगा, I know very well, कि शौर्य भारत ऐप की ई बुक जो है, ई बुक में यही कंटेंट है सारा, उसी को मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं. आपके पास कौन सी बुक है बता दीजिए आप मुझे. सिमरप्रीत, सिमरप्रीत आपके पास कौन सी बुक है, जरा उसके बारे में बात कर लेते हैं कि कैसी हाई लेवल है, क्या है, कौन सी बुक है. अश्विनी सिंह, यस आई नो. एज यू हैव टोल्ड मी दैट योर आईडी इज योर ऑन योर नेम अश्विनी सिंह, सो योर नेम इज अश्विनी सिंह. Yes, Azit Puri, Prince, yes, fine. One more. Arihant, okay, Simarpreet, fine. Arihant, or all these chapters are there. All these chapters are there or not? First confirm according to your syllabus which is prescribed by or given by NTA, नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी, जो आपका एंट्रेंस करवाएगी वो उसके अकॉर्डिंग है. निखिल फाइन, वेरी गुड, गुड इवनिंग. ओके नम्रता, यू हैव उपकार बुक, फाइन. अरिहंत है, ओके ठीक है. और निखिल के भी पास अरिहंत है. नम्रता कह रही उपहार बुक, उपकार की बुक है. ओके, नीति के पास भी अरिहंत है. क्या ये सारे टॉपिक है या नहीं? यस और नो, ये बताइए मुझे. जो हम यहां कर रहे हैं वह सारे टॉपिक उसमें है जो आपके सिलेबस में प्रिस्क्राइब्ड हैं एनटीए के द्वारा. अमन यादव सर, लाइव कब आते हो? अभी लाइव हो ना अमन? ओके आदित्य, यू हैव बोथ अरिहंत एंड उपकार्स, but please reply or message me that my question whether these Arihant or Upkar have those all material जो मैंने यहां एनटीए के अकॉर्डिंग जो आया है टोटल मटेरियल है उसमें. ओके, सम चैप्टर्स आर ऑफ हाई लेवल, फाइन. आई डोंट थिंक कि उसमें टॉपिक है, क्योंकि हमने भी यहां पर देखी है अरिहंत और उपकार दोनों, ये टॉपिक ही नहीं है उसमें. नीति कह रही है सर हैं वह. अभी आप बताओ रोहित भारद्वाज सर क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं? आज हम पढ़ रहे हैं फंक्शंस ऑफ बॉडी पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट्स. चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं इसको. यहां देखिए आप इस पिक में, पिक का मीनिंग है कुछ इसलिए डाल रखी है. वेरियस पार्ट्स हैं प्लांट्स के, जिसमें देखिए यह फ्रूट है ना, कॉर्न, आपने इसका टेस्ट लिया होगा, उसी का प्लांट है जिसमें इसका फ्लावर्स, इसके स्टेम, इसके लीव्स, इसकी रूट्स सब दिख रहे हैं. रूट्स भी दिख रही है, ठीक है. यह लीव्स है, फोलिएज लीव्स भी है, अपर लीव्स भी है, फ्रूट भी है जिसमें कॉर्न है. तो टोटल दीज आर द पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट्स, राइट. माही सर, आई हैव सैनिक स्कूल एंट्रेंस एग्जाम बुक. ओके, हाँ, नो सर नहीं है, यही तो मैं कह रहा हूं निखिल. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग दैट ऑल टॉपिक अकॉर्डिंग टू योर सिलेबस. हमने भी तो देखा है अरिहंत और उसको. यस अभी एग्जैक्टली दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. आई एम आस्किंग यू पीपल, कुछ टॉपिक सेम यही है, कुछ चेंज है. यस नीति, एग्जैक्टली. सो मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. यस फाइन. प्लांट लाइफ. प्लांट्स प्रोवाइड फूड एंड ऑक्सीजन. As you know, plants provide food and release oxygen in और क्या intake करते हैं? CO2, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, to all other living things, to all other living things, right? So plants की बात हो रही है, हम भी ग्रीन कलर ले लेते हैं. प्लांट्स की बात चल रही है इसलिए. Plants provide food and oxygen to all other living things. Plants are seen almost everywhere. Plants are seen almost everywhere. Ubiquitous presence है इनकी. They grow on land, they grow on mountains, also in deserts and under sea also. Under sea also. So plants are seen almost everywhere on the earth. Also under sea, जो सी के अंडर प्लांट्स होते हैं उनको हम हाइड्रोफाइट्स कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? हाइड्रो, दैट फॉर वाटर, एंड फाइट्स फॉर प्लांट. हाइड्रोफाइट्स. दे ग्रो ऑन लैंड, ऑन माउंटेन्स ऑल्सो. कोनिफेरस प्लांट्स जो कोन शेप्ड में होता है, आइसक्रीम का कोन होता है ना, उस शेप में होते हैं, जो हिमालय माउंटेन पर है. तो ऑन माउंटेन्स, इन डेजर्ट्स, सम प्लांट्स ऑल्सो इन डेजर्ट्स. और जो डेजर्ट्स के प्लांट्स होते हैं उनको जीरोफाइट्स कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? ज़ेरोफाइट्स. ज़ेरो, ज़ेरो मीन्स डेजर्ट्स, फाइट्स मीन्स प्लांट्स. राइट. In maths, Abhi, I am not talking about maths, I am talking about GK. Whether all chapters are there in that book, whether it is of Aryant or Upkar of subject GK. Fine. So now focus on these, please. Next slide. Plants' life. Plants play a very important role on the earth, right? We know plants grow mostly from seeds when they get enough water, sunlight and also air. Plants grow mostly from seeds, right? When they get enough water, sunlight and also air. These are the parts of plants. Now you can see very exactly here in this pic. Look here, these are the roots of this plant. So root part, we will see the part of root and functions of root. Then after root there is a shoot system known as stem or trunk of the plant. This one is the stem part, green part. After that you can see here flower of saffron orange color flower in this plant. Now then fruit and also various leaves. So these are general parts of the plant body. Okay, fine. Move to the next one. First part of the body, part of plant is root. Here you can see the root of original plant. This is the thick roots which go underground, right? So this is forest and this was the trunk of plant, and this is various roots emerge out from the trunk and go towards the earth, right? Look here, the root system. क्या कहता है root system हमारा? The root is the underground part of the plant's body which grows towards the force of gravity. Gravitation force attract करता है और जो objects होता है उनको कहाँ attract करता है? Towards earth and also underground the earth, interior of the earth. So root grows towards the force of gravity. They fix plants in the soil. Roots fix plants in the soil. It fixes the plant within the soil, right? And again they absorb water and mineral nutrients from the soil. That means root absorbs water and mineral nutrients from the soil. It stores excess food also. It stores excess food, surplus food also. Here is the root. This is the example of root shoot system which is green, and then there are many branches going towards the interior of the earth or underground part of the earth known as root. Okay, fine. That is the root system. There are two main types of root systems: taproot systems and also fibrous root system. First one is the taproot and second one fibrous root. Now first understand again two types of seeds, and the basis of classification of these two types of seeds is according to their cotyledons. This one is the cotyledons. You have seen the wheat seed and you have also seen the gram, that means chana seeds. These are two, these are single. So monocotyledons and dicotyledons, right? Monocotyledons and dicotyledons. Mono means one, di means two. So dicots have a taproot system, while monocots have a fibrous root system. Fibrous root is also known as adventitious root system. Very important. Fibrous root is also known as adventitious root system. Look here in the pic. Dicots have a taproot system. Tap, that means this single branch, and there are structures which are attached to this single branch. This is known as taproot. And there are many fibers emerges out under the underground or interior of the earth. So this one is your fibrous. This one is your fibrous root system. This root system is also known as adventitious root system. So in dicots which have dicotyledonous, dicots have a taproot system. This is the taproot system. And in monocots which have fibrous root system, also known as adventitious root system. Next, taproot. Come to the first one, that is taproot. Okay, fine, Nikhil. Yes. Now you can see which is the best example of taproot. This one, carrot, right? A main root that grows down vertically. A main root that grows down vertically, from which many smaller lateral roots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are many smaller lateral roots, side root, from which many smaller lateral roots arises. Taproot goes deep into the soil, for searching for water and minerals, so that it can absorb water and minerals from soil particles easily. That's why it goes deep into the soil. So this is the best example of and pick of taproot system. One main long thick root. Taproot is one main long thick root system, which growing downwards, from which many thinner roots develop. Examples. Now look at these examples. Sugar beet, right? Sugar beet, चुकंदर जिसे हम कहते हैं, carrot जो पिक में था, carrot, this one is the carrot, right? And also bean, tea and people, these have taproot system. Tree of people. Okay, your name is Abhay Singh, God, fine. Nikhil, fine. Sir, there are 2 children in class. जतिन, क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग? मेरी आईडी, तेरी आईडी, what are you doing? First, focus on this chapter. So these are the examples of taproots. Now come to the second kind of root, that is your fibrous root system. Fibrous roots. Here there is no main root, but we have seen in the case of taproot, there is a main root going deep into the earth or soil particle. So in the case of fibrous roots, there is no main root. Dense equal size roots arise from the main part. Dense equal size roots arise from the main parts, and roots grow downward and branching repeatedly to form a mass of fine roots, a mass of fine roots. So this is the example of fibrous roots. So there is no main root. Dense and equal size roots arise from the stem or shoot. Dense or fibrous, dense and equal size roots arise from the stem. Dense and equal size roots arise from the stem, and roots grow downward and branching repeatedly. Branching repeatedly, you can see in this pic, this one. This is the root part. This one is the root part. So, branching repeatedly to form a mass of fine roots. Okay? Yes. Yes, Nikhil, exactly. Okay, Ashwini, yes. Abhay, good. Niti, yes. So, this is fibrous root system. It is usually formed by thin, moderately branching roots growing from the stem. Now, function of roots. Again, look this pic. So, this is revision of for your slides, both. There are main two types of root system. First, taproot system occur in dicots, and fibrous root system occur in monocots. This one is the pic of fibrous root, this one is the taproot. In the case of taproot, there is a single main root going deep into the soil particle. Fibrous root is also known as adventitious root system. So, first is the taproot, single taproot which many smaller lateral roots arise. Taproot goes deep into the soil for searching for water and minerals, and the best examples of taproot system: sugar beet, beet sugar, carrot, bean, tea, people, etc. Right? Yes, I am repeating, Bhai, don't worry. So, this is taproots. Now, come to the fibrous roots. Second one is the fibrous root. There is no main root in the case of fibrous root. Dense, equal size roots arise from the stem or shoot part of the plant, arise from the stem, and roots grow downward and branching repeatedly. So, there is a great fine mass of these roots are there. They form mass of fine roots. I think it is clear, Abhay Singh? Yes, exactly, Arshay, fine. Sir, what is the function of stem? Aditya, according to Aditya. We will come to the part of stem, right? A stem have two special tissue. Yes, Aditya, we are coming on that part. Please wait for a while. After root, we will come to the shoot or stem. Arshay, sir, example of monocot seeds are wheat, rice, corn. Very good, Arshay, very good, fine. These are the example of monocot seeds, right? So, fibrous roots are also known as, yes, tell me the answer. Kaun bata raha hai answer fast? Aditya, I will tell you the later, okay? Yes. Now, my question is that, who will give me answer? Fast. My question is that, fibrous root is also known as which kind of roots? Give me answer fast. Wait for 10 seconds. I will wait for 10 seconds. Yes, fibrous roots are also known as, or tell me the another name for fibrous roots. किसका आ रहा पहला आंसर? फास्टेस्ट फिंगर फर्स्ट कौन है? कौन करेगा लॉक आज? किसका नाम ऊपर लिखा जाएगा? जल्दी जल्दी बता दीजिए. अभी तक कोई आंसर नहीं आया है. मेरा क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया सभी को? फाइब्रस रूट्स आर नोन एज No. Other name for fibrous root, Arshay. Other name for fibrous roots. Jatin, why are you not serious today? Navesh, no, this is not the exact answer. Ashwini Singh, no, that is not the exact answer. Who will give me answer fast? First, no. Okay, Niti is correct. Fine. So today, first time Niti, I think it is. Niti is correct. Nikhil Mehla, answer kahan hai? Where is the answer? Yes sir, no sir. Yes, Mahi, now Mahi is correct also. So first is Niti. First. And second is Mahi. Second is Mahi, yes, I think. Yes, exactly. Now Utkarsh is also right and Abhi is also right. So first, second, third one is Utkarsh and Abhi. Change the color. UT Utkarsh, UTKARSH, Utkarsh and also Abhi. So star is Mahi, Niti and Mahi. Yes? Jatin, why are you not serious today? What are you doing? Now you understand this, right? Okay, fine. So fibrous roots is also known as adventitious root because there are many lateral branches emerge and form a mass of fine roots. They emerge repeatedly, right? So these are fibrous roots. Now come to the functions of roots. What are the functions? Because our title of this chapter is functions of body parts of plants, right? So first function, root attach the plant body to the ground firmly. Root attach the plant body to the ground firmly. Okay, yes, Ashwini Singh, this is the right answer. Niti, okay, thank you, very good. Welcome to the Shaurya Bharat app and Shaurya Bharat YouTube channel. Okay, root attach the plant body to the ground firmly. Second one, root hairs. There are root hairs which absorbs water and mineral from the soil and pass it to the stem. Root also store excess or surplus food in them. Root also stores excess food in them, and one more important function of these roots, as we have seen, the root attach the plant body firmly to the ground, so they also prevent soil erosion. Root prevents soil erosion also. Very important function of roots. Very important function of roots. Root prevents soil erosion. Okay. So these are the various functions of root. Some roots like carrot, radish, etc. store food. जो हम कैरेट या जिसको हम गाजर कहते हैं, रेडिश जिसे हम मूली कहते हैं, so they store food. Root bind the soil which otherwise may be blown away by wind or washed away by water. So this is also important function of roots. They bind the soil and that's how the root prevents soil erosion. Now second part of the plant is shoot system or stem part. So that was the question of Aditya. अजीत क्या कह रहे हैं? Main root. Okay. The shoot system. This is the shoot system. Green. This green is the shoot system. So first point, important point about the shoot system is, this is the aerial part of the plant body. Shoot is always the aerial part of the plant body, never go underground or interior or towards the gravity of the earth. Clear? So shoot or stem is the aerial part of the plant body. It helps plant to prepare food. So very important function, as Aditya asked earlier, that what is the function of stem? It helps or it assists plant to prepare food. And shoot composed of erect stems. Shoot में क्या होता है? Erect stem होता है. And also shoot also have leaves attached, right? Leaves are attached to the stem at regions called nodes. जहां leaves attached रहती है stem पर, उस point को, उस region को क्या कहते हैं? That regions called nodes. Very important question here. Leaves are attached to the stem at regions called nodes. Move further. Yes, again you can see in new pic, this is the leaf system, buds, flower, petiole and stem. Stem supports the upper parts of the plants. Stem क्या करता है? किसको support करता है? Aerial part, that is the upper part of the plants. It carries the water and mineral to leaves. Roots absorb करती है water and mineral. Roots absorb करके किसको send करती है? Stem को. And stem उसे कहाँ send कर देता है? It carries the water and mineral to leaves. To leaves. Stem carries food produced by the leaves to other parts of the plants. यह बैक साइड में जाएगा. देखिए लीव्स अपर पार्ट पे होती है, स्टेम से अटैच्ड होती है, और लीव्स जो सन की रेज होती है उसमें एक प्रोसेस होता है. जल्दी से उसका आंसर मुझे कौन बताएगा जिससे वह फूड बनाती है? सन रेज, water, and with the help of carbon dioxide, leaves prepare food through a process. And what is the name of that particular process? कौन बताएगा जल्दी से? स्फूर्ति, डोंट मेक एक्सक्यूजेस. आप उस समय आए थे जब उस समय क्लास चल रही थी, वो मेरी क्लास थी, और आप कह रहे स्कूल गए. वाई आर यू मेकिंग द एक्सक्यूजेस? ओके, द फर्स्ट आंसर, फाइन फाइन, वेरी गुड. अभी वह आशय, समर्पित, वेरी गुड. निखिल, फाइन. अभी, आशय, समर्पित, नीति. ओके ओके ओके. अभी, आशय एंड समर्पित, फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड. सो हियर फर्स्ट अभी का नाम आ जाएगा कोको कोला कलर से या येलो. तो दिखेगा ही नहीं. आशय, नीति एंड सिमरप्रीत, अभी आशय सिमरप्रीत सॉरी, देन नीति। Good, very good, fine answer. Okay, Abhay God, your answer is Abhay Singh God, fine. So right answer is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, photo that means light, light energy from sun, synthesis that means to make, और क्या बना रहे हैं, फूड बना रहे हैं। कौन बनाती है, लीव्स। लीव्स ही क्यों बना रही है, ग्रीन होती है क्योंकि उसमें एक पिगमेंट होता है क्लोरोफिल, राइट। सो स्टेम कैरीज food produced by the leaves to other part of the plants, prepared by the leaves. And wood trunk, in some kind of plants the stem is very hard, woody, and that part is known as trunk, right. Strong, thick and woody stem is known as trunk part of the plant. You have seen the mango plant, mango tree, and also neem, right, neem, mango, banyan tree. So they have very thick and woody stem that is known as trunk. So stem also have their role and the body parts of plants which have many functions. So that is all about for today's class. Thank you so much. बने रहिए आप शौर्य भारत यूट्यूब चैनल पे। नेक्स्ट क्लास के लिए रिफ्रेश हो जाएं, आपकी नेक्स्ट क्लास शुरू होने ही वाली है। बने रहिए और लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए शौर्य भारत यूट्यूब चैनल और डाउनलोड कीजिए शौर्य भारत ऐप को। जय हिंद।